Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, one of my favourite Divi plugins here, Divi Supreme Modules, has released another free little layout demo today, and you can download it from this URL. If you just roll down the page a little bit, you can download it from here. Once you've downloaded it, this is what you get, and they got a couple of nice examples of their shuffle text modules here. And what I like about these is, if I roll them back out of screen again, they activate when they come into view, which is nice. Okay, if you want to download this, like I say, go to this page, hit the download layout button. As you can see, mine's downloading to my browser here. I'm using Google Chrome. If you're using a different browser, it'll download to your default location. Once it's downloaded, it's going to download it as a zip file here. So you need to extract it. And it'll give you a little Mac OS X folder, which I don't need, and a JSON file, which is a file that you need. To upload it to your site, just go to your layouts page, and if you go to dashboard, down to Divi, to Divi library, you'll find this page. To import it, hit the import and export button. We want to import it obviously, so I'm going to hit the import tab. Now you can hit the choose file button and browse to your download location if you want to, but I'm simply going to drag the JSON file and drop it where it says no file selected there. So I'm just left clicking and holding and releasing there, and then just hit the import Divi builder layouts. And there it is, Divi Supreme Shuffle Letter module. Okay, well, how do you import it? Let's start a new page. Call it whatever you want. And of course, use the Divi builder. I'm going to use a pre-made layout. Hit the Browse Layouts button, and then go to Your Saved Layouts. I've got quite a few here. If I roll down, there it is, Shuffle Letter module. Simply left click on that, and there we go. We've got it in our page, and you can just save this as a normal page. Of course, it's not much good having somebody else's stuff on your page here. So what I've done is I saved a bit of a section, and if I roll down this page here, created my own little team section from it. There we go. Really easy to do. And to do that, simply go back to your page where you have it. Either save the module that you want to use. I saved the whole section, the blue tab up here. Hit the little round icon just to the left of the trash can there. Give it a name. Save it to the library. And you can either import it into a new page or import it to an existing page. I'm going to go ahead and I'm middle mousing to open it in a new tab there. Give it a title. I'm going to use the Divi builder obviously. This time I'm going to build from scratch. So I'm going to hit the little blue button to add a new section as I save the whole section. Add from library. There's our Shuff 1. See, now I can get rid of this section up here we don't need. Okay, like I say, it's not much good having their text in there, so if you want this, keep it. Just go in there, change it to whatever you want to say on yours. And this, I want 2 or 3 people, so I'm actually going to go into the row, the green tab here, and change it from 1 column to 3 columns. Obviously, you change yours how you wish. Or we can make it full width, make 5 columns. Now, I'm going to make this a little smaller because it's too big for me. So I'm going to go into this little module, just take that down a little bit. Go to our Design tab. Here's the shuffle text. I'm going to take this down take it down to 30. That'll work for me. And of course, in the content for the shuffle text, you put in whatever the name is in the text module at the top. My name is. We'll give him his position. Give him whatever position you want. Shuffle text, whatever his name is. Now if we go down to the shuffle text, you can put the random text that you want in there. I'm going to start it with the first letter of his name, no particular reason, then put in a bunch of random text, throw in a couple of capital letters, simple as that. Duration time, I'm going to make that 4 seconds. Now the little box below, a little too much text there. You might have some info about Bob, but I really don't want too much in there, so I'd probably have about that much text in there. And of course the button below is just a regular button. Go in there, put in the link, decorate it how you will. Of course we don't want this fella's picture, you're going to want Bob's picture. So if we go in here, we'll get rid of this one, just click on it. If you want round pictures like they're using in their example, always start off with a square one. It has to be perfectly square to get a perfect circle. So he looks like a Bob to me, so we'll put him in there. And I'm using 200 by 200. Now that looks a bit big to me, so we can simply go over to design. We'll go to sizing. And you'd think the height, but the width will do it as well as it's square. So I'm just going to pull the width down until it's about the size that I want it. Something like that. And I want it to align it in the middle, right there. Great. So we got our first little module there, which is fantastic. And we've got their styling and everything like that. Now what I did for mine, it's up to you. I'm sure you know how to do the rest of these, but I'll just do another example or a couple of examples. I'm going to go to wireframe mode. I'm going to duplicate this, drag it over, and duplicate it again. Little 2 squares I'm hitting there to duplicate it. A little X right there, left click and drag. I'm going to do the same for this one, 2 of those. Doesn't matter which one you pull over because they're all identical. Same with this one. You can do it on the front end if you want to. I just find it's quicker if you do it this way. And if it's on a page that you've already got a lot of content with, this does make it considerably easier. So if we flip back to front end now, desktop view. There we go. And I'll simply change the pictures and change the name. Go to this one. And it's already got the sizing from the one before. Whatever her title is. And again, for the shuffle letters, I'll start with hers, her first letter. But you don't have to do this. This is just my idea. But put in whatever you want in there. I'm going to make hers 5 seconds. So this one will finish, then this one will finish, and then this one will finish. In fact, let's make this one 4. I'll take the other one down to 3 because it seemed like quite a long time for that. Now let's pop this one in. We'll pop in his name and position. And this one, what did I say, 5 seconds? Great. Now I just wanted to change this one to 3 seconds, which was in the shuffle letters option. Now obviously you can go into the design, you can change the colors and fonts and everything you want to if you want. I'm just doing this for a quick example. Okay, so we got 3 there. Let's try and spell Dave correctly. That's a rather strange spelling of it. And we'll save the draft or publish if you're ready. Exit the visual builder. And there we have it. Here's a quick little team section, and as you can see, if I refresh those again, they're finishing at different rates. Bob, then Sue, then Dave. There's Bob, Sue, Dave. And of course, don't want that demo 2 at the bottom, can delete that as well, obviously. So there you go guys, there's the free little shuffle text download from the Divi Supreme module, or shuffle letters I should say. I'll put this link below the video. I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.